Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be making Jamaican fish tea, and here are a listing of my ingredients. So guys, for me, I love to start off with the pumpkin, and as you can see right here, I'm peeling the pumpkin and removing the inner part that is the seed. So guys, because I got this pumpkin from the store, it was not a whole pumpkin, or else I would not be peeling off the sides. It was already cut, and this is why I'm removing these sides. They're a bit dried, and I'm just getting the pumpkin ready because I want to peel off as well the back part, not heavy part because it's a bit strong, it's very hard, but I try my best to remove as much as possible from the back part, which is the skin. And after which, guys, I'm just gonna go ahead, and as you can see, my blender is there waiting. I'm just gonna put this pumpkin in small pieces, and then I will blend the pumpkin. Reason why I blend my pumpkin, guys, is just that I want my soup to be rich, right? I want it to have that rich yellow color, and this is how I go ahead doing all my soups. I'm sorry guys, that's my husband over there just popping up in my videos. So guys, after I finish washing my pumpkin and get it cut up in blend sizes, I'm just gonna add it to the blender and give it a nice blend. So guys, I should have mentioned that my water is already on the stove. It is boiled, and at this point I'm gonna go ahead and add the blended pumpkin. Guys, if you choose to add your garlic before even adding the pumpkin, is not a big deal, but here I add my garlic, and at this point we're gonna leave the pumpkin to cook. Guys, because of time and I don't want to hold you guys for a long time here, I went off camera and I got my flour kneaded and made my dumplings, and at this point I'm just gonna add the dumplings to the pot. Guys, the next thing I went ahead and did, I got my yam, potato, carrot, onion, scallion, and also my pepper ready, and I'm gonna add these to the pot, except for the yam because it's not yellow yam, this is white yam. It is tough and it will break apart too quick. Give your pot a stir so that the dumplings will not stick to the bottom of the pot. I must say, something smells so good. At this point, guys, I am back, and it's now to add the okras to the pot. I went ahead and yes, they're thawed out, and also I give it a nice warm wash because yes, it was frozen. Guys, if you choose to go ahead and add your fresh okras, that's even better. I could not get the okras, the fresh ones, so I went ahead and I got me the ones that are frozen and in pack. Guys, I must say everybody cooks different, okay? But here, guys, after all my previous ingredients, yes, they are cooked. At this point, I'm gonna go ahead and add the fish. Okay, how you can do the fish, guys, you can choose to boil your fish and strain it. Okay, some people would add the fish at the start, but that would break the fishes apart, and this is why I choose to put the fish in for last, so that the fish will not break apart. This is how my husband loves it, along with the yam, because you know it's soft as well. You will see me do that in a bit, but let me explain this first. And this is how I do it, okay? So if you choose to, you can go ahead and boil your fish, strain it so that the bones will not, you know, be a part of your cooking, and just add it. Guys, I know I've mentioned that, you know, the fish is the last thing I put in a pot, but really I should have said it's the last, you know, big ingredients then basically. So at this point, guys, after I put the yam, I'm just gonna add the fish flavored soup mix, and this will bring up the flavor of your soup. Yes, guys, I add 2 packs of these. Guys, I wish y'all could just taste my fish tea. It is so delicious. Guys, I'm telling you. Guys, you want your soup to taste really nice and full of flavor. And you know butter is good in this department. So now, guys, I'm just going to go ahead and add about a tablespoon of butter to my soup. And just give it a little stir, guys. Cover and let your soup simmer for 10 minutes, and after which, guys, you all can meet me at presentation. Guys, if you have pimento seeds, I didn't have any at the point when I cooked this fish tea. You can go ahead and add your pimento seed. Okay, so now, guys, I'm just gonna leave and let it, you know, cook for 10 minutes, and I'll see you.